Welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Thursday, September the 15th, Cambridge Conference going on in Toronto, so I'll be there later on. First things first, I've got 6 stories for you. Again, resources are dominating, and that's no surprise given what's happening in gold, silver, and all the metals and the energy space. Let's get straight to it. We're going to get through them really quickly. Argentex Mining, TSX Venture, ATX for our friends in the U.S., AGXMF. They announced to drill 4 meters of 8.64 grams ton of gold and 2,469 grams ton of silver. That was within 17 meters of 3.14 grams ton of gold and 761 grams ton of silver. This is at their Piguino project in Argentina. The program consists of 19,700 meters of drilling, 206 holes. 18% of those holes are still waiting to be processed and released, so look for more news coming out of them today. What are they doing this morning? Argentex is up right at the open, 5%, just 3,500 shares, up to 86 cents. They closed yesterday, it says here 83.4. $1.73 is their high, 64 is their low, so definitely closer to their low range. And with these kind of results, you got to look out for this company. Congratulations to Peter Ball, my good friend over at Argentex. I'll be giving him a call later on. Next up, Wildcat Silver Corporation, TSX-WS is their symbol. They announced additional drill results, including 19.8 meters of 420.6 grams ton of silver. This from their Hermosa property in Arizona. I like that. It's in a good location. Results continue to indicate, according to the company, that mineralization remains open beyond the current drilling. In addition to that silver number, they also had manganese, zinc, lead, and copper in that hole as well. The project, which I like, currently has an indicated mineral resource, 36 million ounces of silver, inferred 85 million ounces of silver. They also have a preliminary economic assessment. It contemplates an 18-year mine life, expected annual production in excess of 6 million ounces of silver for the first full 5 years. Do the math. Look at where silver's trading today. That's some pretty good money coming in, depending on the final cash cost number. $1.57 was where they closed. 35 cents on the 52-week low. 316 on the high. This thing has been very volatile, but a lot of happy investors today. They're up 2%, 3 cents on 18,000 shares. And again, the market's just open. Champion Minerals trades on the TSX on the stock symbol CHM and Frankfurt under P02 for our friends there. They intersected 359 meters, grading 30% total iron. This is from their northeastern Quebec project, which is strategically located adjacent to ArcelorMittal's operating Montrite mine. It's a good place to be. The company says results successfully validate a historic intersection of 206 meters grading 24.1%, including an interval of 143 meters grading 34.1%. And this is an iron exploration company. $1.30 closed yesterday, $3.30 on the high, 87 cents on the 52-week low. Again, incredible volatility. Champion today up 4 cents to $1.34 on 30,000 shares. Market likes the news. Antioquia Gold Venture, AGD, OTCQX for our friends in the U.S., AGDXF, intersected 22.3 grams ton of gold over 3 meters, including 135.6 grams over it's almost 135 grams, almost knocked me out. I had to check, see if that was a typo. Over half a meter, they said, that extends the high-grade gold mineralization at their project in Colombia. They closed yesterday 26 cents. This morning, up a penny on 3,000 shares. Bidding 23, asking 27, so there is some space there. Their range, 18 cents on the low, 48 cents on the high. Next up, rare earth metals. My friend there, Michael Stairs. They say they extends one of their zones with a step-out hole that intersected 1.51% total rare earth oxides. Let's call it rare earths, over 124.7 meters. They traded RA in Canada, RAREF. The project is located 80 kilometers east of Sudbury. Great place to be. That drill result was within a larger zone of mineralization, which assayed 1.43% rare earths over 157.5 meters, and the heavy rare earth to the true rare earth ratio was pretty good at 3.1%. They closed yesterday 32 cents, 18 on the low, 51 on the 52-week high. This morning, 33 cents, up a penny, 68,000 shares. So it's trading nicely, considering we're in the first few minutes of trading. So congratulations to Michael Stairs. And finally, my good friend Leo Carabellis over at Frontline Communications. His company Gold Canyon that he represents intercepted 308 meters, 1.29 grams ton of gold, including 216 meters of 1.71 grams per ton. This from the Springpole Gold Project in Red Lake, Ontario. Again, great place to be. I love these properties. 305 is where they closed at yesterday. Today, they're actually down 10 cents, surprisingly 3% on 42,000 shares. With these kind of numbers, it looks like their investors almost have incredibly high expectations. They did close as high as 422, but their 52-week close 57 cents. So you got a lot of happy shareholders over at Gold Canyon. So good news for Leo and his client. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you look for more great small cap resource companies and you watch this on Globe Investor, that would be below me or to the left of me. Take a look at companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best press release to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.